Hi guys, it's Cassie with Harlow's Earth, and today we're going to be talking about stretch marks. Can we prevent them? Is there anything we can do to reduce them or diminish them if we get them? Let's find out. 5 things you can do to avoid stretch marks. 1, try to maintain a healthy weight during pregnancy. That's not always possible. Some people just balloon in weight and they are trying so hard and they're keeping their same diet and their body just wants to grow. Their baby wants to grow. That's okay. But that number 1 is one way to help reduce stretch marks. Number 2, you have no control over this, genetics. So when I was pregnant with my second baby, I was slathering on vitamin E oil every day, and my doctor was like, well, did your mom have stretch marks? No. Did you have stretch marks with your first baby? No. Then why are you rubbing vitamin E oil on your belly every day? Good point. Okay, so in your genetics, if your mom did not have stretch marks, good chances are you won't either. So much of it is out of your control. So there you go. Number 3, hydrate. Obviously, you're drinking a lot of water during pregnancy, but that keeps the moisture, elasticity in our skin. Drink it up. Vitamins C, D, and E. Vitamin C is going to help produce that elasticity and collagen, so you can just be sitting outside, eating an orange in the sunlight while slathering on some vitamin E oil. You can try it. And number 5, use some coconut oil or oil of your choice and just massage it on. That massage will increase the blood flow, so that can help. If you have another tried and true way out there of not getting stretch marks in the first place, please comment below. I'd love to hear it, and so would all of the other listeners. So 50 to 90% of pregnant women are getting stretch marks. So if you get them, know you're in good company. And if you get them, we can try to treat them right away. And here's a couple great DIY remedies you can do right from home. Aloe Vera, of course. That is an awesome one. Maybe you have some growing in your garden. You can just take a little snippet, open it up, and rub it on. You can also try a sugar scrub on your stretch marks. So you take a cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of your choice of oil. Again, we can do coconut oil here. And then add a little bit of lemon juice to brighten and rub that on, let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes, and then wash it off. That will be really helpful in reducing the look of your stretch marks. And lastly, you can just accept your beautiful body exactly how it is, stretch marks and all. And maybe you like tattoos. You can tattoo a cool design and incorporate the stretch marks into them. You can write your kids' names along them. Stretch marks, again, 50 to 90% of us moms have them. So know you're in good company. Don't worry too much about it. It's beautiful. So it's all about how we perceive. All right, thanks you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.